Today we're going to look at adjusting the burnback settings on the Miller S74 MPA Plus feeder. To do that, we're going to press the setup button. We're going to use the left dial to select B-back, and then we can use the right dial to adjust that value. The higher the number, the longer voltage will be applied to the wire after the trigger is released, allowing the wire to burn back. We generally set the burn back setting around 0.04, 0.05, and adjust it based on the weld that we're doing to give us enough burn back on the wire that we don't run into wire stick problems on the next weld. To get out of it, just press setup once more. If for some reason yours says lock on, you can hold setup. You'll get to the setup menu, and then you can turn the lock on or off. When lock is on, and I go to adjust anything, it will tell me lock. So if you run into a lock situation, just long press on the setup and turn the lock off.